Okay, so now it's Rose's turn. She's going to smell the cucumber chip. And then
You
taste.
like that?
I was saying to Daddy that it is refreshing, but not necessarily. Like, I wouldn't call that cucumber. Try it. It's not spicy like the last one. You don't like it? You don't like it?
Ew. It kind of tastes like cucumbers, but like not really.
It's weird, like, right? Like, you get like a little bit of it, but not a complete cucumber, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ew.
Okay, now it's Brianna's turn.
Ew, it smells like... It doesn't smell like avocados, so no.
Avocado.
I could see why she would say that, though. But
Let me just
it's supposed to smell like a cucumber.
Ew.
You don't like it? No?
No, thumbs down.
Okay, so thumbs down
Yeah.
from the kids.
Yeah, it tastes...
It's not the worst, but it's definitely not my favorite. But I would give it like a 1.5 out of 5.
So, guys, I will rate it a 0 too.
Yeah, the kids are giving it a 0.
Yeah,
Anyway, bye.
Bye, guys. Subscribe to the other chip video. Goodbye.